morning, everybody. It is very early. I'd say bright and early, but it's actually not bright yet. Today is our first official day. I'm currently sitting on the balcony outside of our room at Margaritaville, the hotel. Plan for today is to hop on the monorail and go kind of resort hopping, because unless you are staying at some of the resorts, you can't go in. And right now, when we're here, they're supposed to have their gingerbread houses done, at least some of the resorts, and I really want to see those. So we're gonna try and hop the monorail and do that. And then we're supposed to go into Disney Springs today. Maybe try and get some souvenirs. And then tomorrow is when we will actually start our days in the park. While I brought makeup with me on this trip, I definitely want to keep it simple. One thing I've really found to be simple but effective is kind of a slight siren eye. So I'm just taping them up with some Scotch tape. And then we'll start with that because it can get a little messy. But I'm going to start with using my NYX Bear With Me concealer in vanilla, not only as concealer but also as eye primer. The palette that I'm going to use for this is the Milani Bold Obsessions. I don't even think that they sell this anymore, which is really sad because these palettes were awesome. But I'm going to take first just a neutral shade and put it all over the lid, and then start with kind of smoking all of that out at the lash line. This part might be a little tricky. Not gonna be the most intense, but I'm okay with that. So I'm gonna peel off this eye tape and go ahead and conceal under my eyes, and then we will move on. Bad, not bad, especially for doing this pretty much in the dark. The sun is starting to come up more. You probably won't be able to notice, but it is starting to be more of a blue sky rather than black. I will say, at least for me, doing my makeup anywhere other than at home where I'm used to doing it always just seems weird. No matter what kind of light, no matter what kind of mirror you have, it's just something different than you're used to. But that's part of the fun. If y'all remember watching, or if you were here when I did my packing my makeup video, I put the pencil sharpener in here with pencil shadings. Yeah, so I just made a mess with that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with powder. It's my e.l.f. camo powder. A lot of these products are going to be products that you've seen me use time and time again. I wanted to bring my tried and true with me on this trip. I did not want to take chances on anything. This is not the time to try new things for me as far as makeup. So just want to let you know that up front. Most of these will be products that I've used before. Y'all, I just went in there with powder when I haven't even put on my foundation. Why didn't anybody tell me? But that's okay. It's okay. We're gonna go back and fix it. So I'm gonna use the Revlon Age Defying. I have the shade 10 Beige Buff. I think you will be able to tell that it's getting brighter out here. I can tell looking at the screen. All right, now let's try this again, going back with a powder. All right, so even though I flubbed that, it didn't turn out horribly, so thank goodness for that. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula Dream Team palette to grab that bronzer. Bring a little bit of life to the face this early in the morning. Alright, while I'm in here, I'm also going to grab the blush that is in here. You've seen me use this blush before. It's just a nice neutral blush. I don't want anything to really stand out or be overpowering today. People are starting to wake up. I feel like that blush in here, even though it's the same that I have at home, I feel like it's a different shade. That's interesting to me. It's supposed to be the exact same, but I feel like this one's a little more pigmented and a little more pink. So when I get home, you know, we'll be trying that out and testing that theory. For highlight, I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Champagne Glow. This little travel size was convenient when packing. And I have to say that overall, my makeup has done really well in this makeup case. I did have it packed in this case, and then the whole case was in my suitcase, and it's done really well so far. I'm extremely proud of that. All right, I am gonna go ahead and set my face. It's gonna be a long day. I need all the staying power that I can get with the e.l.f. Stay All Night setting spray. So I'm gonna actually probably do this at least twice. All right, now I'm gonna go in with my Bad Gal Bang mascara. I have to say, I really like this mascara. If you want to see more detail on it, I do have a dedicated video for that. I will have a link for you. All right, we're almost done. I'm gonna go in now with lipstick. been using Milani Teas, but I kind of want to use Pleasure today. So I'm just going to put that with the Milani lip liner in the shade Nude. Oh yeah, you can definitely tell it's brighter out here. Give us a nice neutral look. Again, Milani lip liner in Nude and their matte lipstick in Pleasure. All right, I'm gonna hit myself with some more setting spray. And we're done. That is it. Makeup is on. Now I need to kind of go and do something with this hair, get dressed, and start our day. Make sure that you are subscribed. I do plan on vlogging more while I am here. Hopefully in the parks, I don't know yet. I did get a little bit of footage of the Wilderness Lodge that I will have. That place is gorgeous, just so you know. But for now, I need to go ahead and get ready for the day. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. Bye.